Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is Louis, your chart mentor here on a Thursday morning. Lots of pain for yesterday's sellers, and they were trapped in a very, very nasty way. Market closed at 4. Those of you who trade stocks, you probably forgot about it. Went to you your thing. The markets are closed, and Nvidia came and released their numbers exceeding everything, every metric. And Nasdaq bounced on our zones. If you are in our trading group, we highlighted the zones. I'm not going to show them now here, but we did highlight those zones yesterday. Our members saw the spots to buy the dip. And I myself, as many of you know, I am also a business consultant. And so I was busy with that side of my business, working with a client. And I did not took advantage of that move. And but when you trade our style, it doesn't really matter what you think you miss. There is always an opportunity. And I'm showing you with this trade that I'm in right now. I haven't, you can see here is my first trade. And I sat here, look at the markets, realize what happened yesterday. And I think I'm going to secure this trade. They're having trouble breaking this level. So let me go ahead and take $1,500. Yeah, let me take that because. All right, so 1475, one trade. Okay. And yes, one of the things I teach is to manage your risk. Of course, after such a massive move, this can potentially go, actually, most likely will continue to go up. But after such a massive gap up from yesterday, and overnight traders were able to hold that gap. I feel confident in going really big for my taste as I had a trade with 5 contracts. That's why this is only a 20-point move and it gave me 1475. It says 10 contracts because that's a round trip. Okay. So profitable trades, it's one. I only did one, and this is really all you need. If you're looking to generate income, which is my style, uh, this is the best way to trade. You take advantage of these moves. We're gonna keep pushing higher. Yep, we're gonna keep pushing higher. I'm going to, now that I secure this, I'm gonna find an entry with one contract. My concern was really the reason why I took it and not held it is because I have 5 contracts. And on my other screen, which I'm not showing you here for technical practicalities, really, it's another screen, and I do monitor the order flow and the tape. So I am looking at it, very strong breakout of the 50 level is going to continue. Yeah, sellers are no longer are not present. There's no manifestation of sellers. So this N wave one starts here, should probably go all the way to the 70s, even the 80s. All right. But anyways, missed that trade yesterday, even though I did send the zones yesterday. I'm gonna see if I post a picture here. Let me see. Maybe I can just do it right now. All right. So you can see there. Yeah. May 24. This was yesterday. And I said, good morning. Markets are pulling back, and this is great potential area. These are great potential areas to buy the dip right over here. Okay. That was a 758, and I gave them an update at 8:32, and it says, of 832. This is the current 1 hour view of the price and the zone highlighted above, meaning these two zones, how the price was behaving right here. Now the rest is history. This is what I posted this morning. You can see this bar right here. I didn't have the trend line done, but if you follow along this, let me just show you. If you follow along how we've been trading for weeks, this is a daily chart, by the way, and you can see here that we trade our zones, and we highlighted. I send every member these charts on a daily basis so they know where we are, and then not make a mistake of being trapped. Then, when we broke out this zone, we came to this area, we formed an ascending triangle, and I documented all of this, sent them the chart when it was here. We broke out and we traded this move up. And one minute we saw this bar, we took our positions away and we started looking for shorts out of this area of resistance, and we made some other trades on the way down. But as soon as we came here, these zones, I said, watch it, watch it. And that's the hourly chart that I send them to highlight how those areas are going to be working on our behalf. Then this morning I sent this one, and you can see how the bar from yesterday create and confirm an ascending triangle. So you may want to highlight this on your charts because it's working. Now with trend lines, trend lines are probably one of the most subjective, misinterpreted tools in trading. As you can see, they are going right through these two candles, and then so the whole idea with trend lines is to work similar to support and resistance lines. They are not an specific on the tick line, but it's more of an area. And this is the daily chart of NASDAQ. So when you set these trend lines on the daily and you go down to the lower time frames, you can see how price is reacting. And then if you use our techniques of order flow, how is the order flow behaving on around those area, together with our technical analysis on the multiple time frames, then you feel very confident and do like what I just did. I mean, five contracts, that's five contracts it's a lot of risk, okay, on Nasdaq. But I was confident on my system, and the system showed me everything was on the green for me to take that trade. Not greedy. So if I can make my goal, then I am good for the day. Contact me if you want to know how I can mentor you. I have different levels of mentorship, and I am available to work with you in your areas, and we can have a 30-minute Zoom consultation where we can just talk about your struggles, where you are, and give you some feedbacks and some thoughts, okay, on how to trade charts properly. But I won't know if you don't subscribe. I won't know if you don't reach out. So reach out. I'm here. I love to help people, and so just let me know how I can help you. Now I can say goodbye.